Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Trust everyone is doing fine. In this video I'll be sharing with you my recipe on how to make Okpa, the popular Okpa Anyaoku, and I hope you enjoy watching. Please sit back, relax and watch to the end. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I want to prep my ingredients, and this right here is called a mortar. I'll add my uziza seed inside and then use the pestle to pound it. This is what the uziza seed looks like. This is totally optional. You can prepare your okpa without adding uziza seed, but this adds a unique flavor to okpa. I recommend you add this. So I'll use my pestle to pound until it is nice and smooth. This is Okpa flour. This is gotten from processing Bambara nuts. The English name for this flour is, or the English name for Okpa, it's Bambara nuts. After you get the nuts from the market, you process it and then grind it into a smooth powder. So this is what we'll be using to prepare our Okpa today. Into my mixing bowl, I'll go in with about 3 cups of the Okpa flour. Okpa is a local Nigerian dish which is very popular in eastern Nigeria. It is said that the Okpa recipe originated from Enugu state, like they make the best Okpa. There is no way you'll be traveling across the eastern part of Nigeria or traveling any distance that is more than an hour in the eastern part without seeing people hawking Okpa along the road. It is that popular. And a lot of people swear by the Okpa and Coke combo. I've heard a lot of people say it's the perfect solution to hunger. So Okpa is very popular in eastern Nigeria. Like, it's very popular across Nigeria. And it's fondly called Okpa Anyaoku. I've just gone in with 3 cups of the Bambara nut flour and I've added my palm oil. It is said that Okpa thrives very well in palm oil, so you have to add enough. You have to be generous with your palm oil. I'm using my hands to mix the oil until it is well incorporated into the flour. I think this is the second time I'm making Okpa, and I thought to film the process and share with you all my amazing subscribers. It's time to add water, and I'm using warm water for this. You have to mix with warm water. I'll add the water gradually until I achieve my desired consistency. I'm looking to achieve a somewhat light consistency. I don't want it to be extremely runny and I don't want it to be thick. Keep watching to find out the perfect consistency. If you're coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. I promise you you're going to love it here, and subscription is absolutely free. So please do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you're among the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. It's time to go in with the other ingredients. I've just added my grounded uziza seed. I've added scotch bonnet pepper. Use as much pepper as you want. And I've added my salt. I'll mix until the ingredients are well incorporated. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. You all are the real MVPs and you all hold a special place in my heart. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, for liking, sharing, and leaving me beautiful comments. I'll cook my okpa inside white nylon. After adding my desired quantity, I'll secure it properly by tying it and making a knot. This will prevent it from seeping out when it gets into the pot and starts cooking. Traditionally, okpa is cooked in banana leaves or plantain leaves, and using the leaves to cook okpa also adds a unique taste to okpa, and that is also the healthier version. If you enjoy short videos, please check out my YouTube shorts, my Facebook reels, Instagram reels, TikTok videos. The name to search for is Oge Anyaoku on these platforms, so it won't be difficult for you to find my pages. Please do well to follow me on these platforms. Watch my videos, like, share, and leave me beautiful comments. I have videos that are a minute long or less on these platforms, and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. If you want easy but delicious food recipes, then my pages are the place to be. You will not regret it. I also have a second YouTube channel where I post vlogs, and the name of the channel is I am Oge Anyaoku. I post very engaging and interesting vlogs, so please do also check out my vlog channel at I am Oge Anyaoku. Watch my vlogs, like, share, and leave me beautiful comments in the comment section. Thank you. I added the rest of camera and we are almost through, so this is the last one. This recipe, okpa recipe, is very easy to put together. This is one recipe you don't have to struggle a lot or do a lot to make it come out tasty. You use very few ingredients and the result is always banging. I believe everyone can do this. This is one of the easiest recipes so far. So I've finished tying the okpa and the next step is to cook it. I already have my water boiling over here. I'll proceed to drop in the okpa and I'll allow it to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Thank you. 40 minutes later and I present to you this delicious okpa, this pot of goodness. Okpa is best served hot. That is where the nickname came from, okpa dioko, like it's best served as it is hot. So guys, this is what our okpa looks like and it's looking absolutely delicious. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends. Leave me your comments in the comments section and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you for stopping by and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.